Hello everyone, my name is Tivankar. I'm from TechGates. Today I'm going to show you how to download and configure Linphone application on your Android smartphone to work with our cloud hosted PBX service. First thing you need to do is you have to open the Play Store and then search for Linphone. Alright, so this is a very popular SIP application available for the Android smartphones. And so we do have a separate application available for the iPhones as well, which we will discuss in another video. So I'm going to go ahead and install the application. Alright, so I'm going to open the application right now. So on this screen, first thing you have to do is you have to accept the term of use and then select use SIP account and then select I understand. Then you have to fill your username, password and the domain. The username will be your extension number in any case, right? So I have saved my details on a note. Alright, so my extension number is 919. Alright, so I'm going to copy and paste my password. Your password will always will be a random generated one. Alright, so I'm going to have to enter the domain. The domain will be sip1.techgates.lk and you have to specify the custom port by using the colon 5034. The domain is sip1.techgates.lk colon 5034 and the transport method you have to select the UDP and then select login. Alright, so you can see connected here. So if you see the connected with the green dot, that's mean it's successfully connected with the server, right? So now you can make and receive calls, but before that there are some settings that you have to change related to codecs, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and open the settings. Right, so under the settings I'm navigate to the audio. Right, so it asks for more permission and I'm going to select while using the app. And the first thing you have to do is you have to increase the codec bitrate limit to its maximum available. Right, so after that you have to turn off some of the codecs here. You have to turn off Opus, Speaks, right? Then you must leave PCMU and PCMA and G729 turn on, right? So these are the only three codecs that you should turn on. So if there are any other codecs that are the turn on, and you must keep them turned off, right? So go back to the previous screen. It asks for more permission. The allow. Now you are ready to the make and receive calls. So I'm going to make some test call to my the desktop soft phone, which is 908. Right, it's ringing. Once the call has been answered, you can transfer calls to someone else and you can start a new call and make it a conference, right? And you can see the call statistics. So how much data it's consuming right now per second, right? The bandwidth usage. And you can see what codec it is using right now. In this case, it's G729. So let's make some incoming call and see. All right, so there you go. You can simply answer the call and you have these options. You can safely exit the application, right? So it will stays running in the background always, right? So even though app is not open, so it stays running in the background and still you can receive the calls like this. All right. Yeah, so even though you turn off the screen, you still can receive calls. And in case if you want to exit the application completely without even running in the background, you have option to the quit. So it will not run in the background in this case. So then you have to open the application again and you can safely exit. All right, so that's it. And so if you have any the questions, or if you need any technical support, you can reach to our tech support team always. Right? Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.